Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate OCBC credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to activate your OCBC credit card online, then the process is quite simple. Simply go open up a web browser and log into your OCBC account by typing in www.ocbc.com, and once you reach to the official web page of OCBC Bank, log into an existing account by clicking on the login button at the top right hand corner and select your banking type and follow the on-screen prompts, and you can select your card activation option once you log into your online banking account. But if you want to directly activate in the easiest way, then go to the URL box at the top and type in internet.ocbc.com/card activation and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll see this card activation page displayed on your screen. Go ahead and enter your details that is asked to you in the text boxes appearing. Start off by typing in the last 8 digits of your card number in the first text box. Make sure to enter the same number that is available on your credit card and select its expiry date on the next drop-down. Now, type in your passport number or your NRIC on the next field. Finally, go through the CAPTCHA verification by typing in the CAPTCHA generated at the left-hand side of the screen at the bottom. Make sure to type in your CAPTCHA correct. Once you're done typing it in, click on this little box at the bottom that says, "By activating the card, I affirm my agreement and consent to the terms of OCBC Bank's data protection policy." And once you go through this information, click on the next button at the bottom right and follow the on-screen prompts till the end in order to activate your credit card for OCBC. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.